Oh, welcome. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Elisha, currently doing software engineering at Makerere University. I'm just heading in for my year three. As a software engineering student, I've discovered my main role is to solve problems of the community. To this point that I've come up with multiple ideas or solutions to different problems. For instance, I have Finapp, which is a multi-university saving and learning agency. There's similar to Gende tickets or limited. There's Afrilan. There is Next Shop. All these are solutions to problems in the society. However, right now, I'm currently focusing on one, which is Finhub, that I've come up with a team of software engineers, also business analysts, so that we can solve the problem of saving and financial literacy among university students, starting with Makerere University. With a lot of zeal to make a lot of research in different aspects of the world. Currently pursuing software engineering, I'm conducting several research and also working on multiple projects.
Thank you. What interests you about your startup company?
Yeah, since I'm working on multiple projects, I've decided to make one a company, which is FinHub, and the main reason is because of the financial needs of students at Makerere University and other universities. Being a researcher, after conducting research through multiple surveys and questionnaires, I've discovered very many students suffer from financial need. Therefore, that's my main interest, which is solving the financial needs of the students.
Can you describe a challenging technical problem you have faced and how you resolve it?
One, I've faced multiple technical challenges in terms of infrastructure, resources, and others. More especially on the infrastructure part, I realized this is a startup that I want to roll on market very soon, and I realized very many available technologies, maybe Android. These are native technologies. However, so I've decided to use Flutter so that I can come up with a cross-platform application to help students save their money. Another thing is it could be a technical challenge because I realized as I conducted my surveys, very many students are used to scammers scamming them. So they have this kind of trust issue. They'll ask you, how shall we be assured that our money is safe with you? So what I've decided to do is to gain trust by starting up a Twitter account where I will continuously provide my target market with information concerning finance, that I can provide them with the insight that I'm here to solve the problem of financial need of a student, not scam them of their money.
Okay. Can you okay. How do you stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends in the industry?
Yeah, one thing I did is to create a ghost Twitter account where I only follow people in my trend in software. I don't follow back people, but this is just for learning. Because I realized, despite of how many books you read or how many lectures you attend, if you don't continuously move outside the box and see what's happening, you stay behind. However, you're going to see Twitter is a platform that has a lot of material to learn from. For instance, I'm currently following some spaces in technology, finance, which I didn't do. I'm not doing economics, but right now I'm well conversant with money. I know what should someone do to keep up with their economic growth. What should the country do? Also, I've also ventured into the political world to see where is our government targeting their resources. And of recent I've realized the government is willing to invest in IT, and I believe my project is going to benefit from the government resources.
How do you approach problem solving in a team environment?
One, it's communication. To ensure effective communication, we have a WhatsApp group, but we feel that's not enough. We also utilize online management tools like Jira, others, and so on, so that we can work having a single central management system. So here we are using the existing technologies to continuously communicate. Two, we make sure we surprise ourselves with maybe functions or outings. Every time we achieve a milestone, we celebrate it. So this is helping us understand that even if it's a small win, it's a win. And also we also work by a saying which says fortune favors the bold. So we as a team we're trying to be bold enough, work together so that we can get the blessing from God and He can bless our work.
Can you discuss a project where you had to work with a tight deadline and how you manage it?
Yeah, I've had multiple instances where I had a tight schedule. For instance, I worked on a hackathon project with my friends, Zahara and the team, worked on the e-track project. We got to know about the hackathon just a week when it was just going to resume. So indeed we jumped into the hackathon with no idea, but we had to use our problem solving skills and techniques to come up with the e-track solution, and we had to go sleepless nights to develop and have an MVP for the hackathon, which it wasn't just about winning, but since then we have been different people in terms of solving time, okay, and beating deadlines.
How do you handle failure and setbacks?
Yeah, how we handle failure and setbacks is we believe you don't fail if you haven't started. So what we do is we make sure we get started so that even if we fail, we can revise what we have. Because if we don't start, we shall never know where we failed. So what we do every time we see something or some hindrances along the way, we sit down as a team, come up with a new approach, a new strategy, assign each of us an assignment, do research work, come back when we're different and when we're strong and we're in beast mode. So every time we fail, we take a fail as a win because we're going to come back with greater energy and potential to overcome the challenge. However, challenges will always come. The only difference is that are you determined to win? And that's what we are. We're always determined to win as a team.
What is your message to those ones who would wish to join and do software engineering at Makerere University?
My simple message is as you enter the gate of Makerere, just make sure, switch your mind from books, switch it to the real world. When you enter Makerere, you come with this excitement from high school. They've been forcing you to read your books. But when you reach Makerere or any other world or any other institute to do software engineering, one thing you should know is you're a problem solver. You're not like the rest of the engineers who are solving problems that are already there. You must see something, get a unique proposition in everything, and make sure you're different. So right now, as we see, Finapp is a startup. We believe it's going to hit the market. But you see, if you check our target market against the traditional banks, we are not confused. We know our target market is students, we know what they want, and they already serve the purpose. So, as a software engineering student, just make sure you're a problem solver. Every time you see a challenge, see it as an opportunity. Every time you see a competitor, do a short study about their business and make sure you come up when you're better. That's the only way you can survive in software engineering. And otherwise, you'll end up being a developer, waiting for gigs, and this may consider that as being a porter on a building. So make sure when you have your skills of development, get them into work. You could find yourself a CEO or a chief technical officer in some company, not because you know a lot of code, but just because you have diverse knowledge about everything around you.
Thank you for your time.
Welcome.